When General Gotovina got close to Banja Luka, U.S. Ambassador Richard Holbroock was in Belgrade with Slobodan Milosevic, trying to convince Milosevic to go to Dayton to seek a peace. And Ambassador Holbroock called Croatian Minister of Defense Gojko Šušak on the phone and said, "Where are your forces?" And Gojko Šušak said, according to General Gotovina, "My forces are just outside of Banja Luka, and they're prepared to take the place." And Ambassador Holbroock relayed that information to Slobodan Milosevic, and Slobodan Milosevic did not believe him. And he called General Mladic, and General Mladic said, "Absolutely not, there are no Croatian forces anywhere in the vicinity." So Ambassador Holbroock relayed that information to Gojko Šušak. Gojko Šušak called Gotovina, said, "Do something to show the Serbs that you're actually there." So General Gotovina shut off the electricity to Banja Luka and let Gojko Šušak know that it occurred, and he let Ambassador Holbroock know that that had occurred. And when Slobodan Milosevic checked with General Mladic to see if that in fact was the case, and General Mladic confirmed that there was no power going into Banja Luka, Slobodan Milosevic, according to the ambassador, said to Mladic, "You cost me the war. Now I have to go to Dayton and sign the peace."